Hello everybody, it is Pixel and today I'm going to be making Gochujang meatballs. And for that I'm going to need probably about 14 meatballs, either homemade or pre-made, a sprinkle of roasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, about a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 of a cup of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of Gochujang sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, about 2 teaspoons of garlic paste or freshly ground garlic, 3 cloves of garlic minced up, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. I think that's everything. Well, this should be fun. So let's go. Okay, first step will be to get these meatballs browning. And once those are done, we'll be taking them out and putting them aside. And if they aren't cooked all the way, don't worry about it. They're going to be going back into the pan in a short bit. Alright, we've got our garlic and ginger cooking up a little to get fragrant in our pan. Sauce. And the ketchup. Next I'll be adding in our brown sugar. Stirring that in. I'll be adding in my rice vinegar that I put my cornstarch in so I can thicken it up easier. And once that's come together a little more, I'll be adding back in the meatballs. Okay, these are all done, getting that sauce coated on them, and now all we have to do is let them reach a nice room temperature and try them on out. Okay, everybody, the fun time's here. We get to try out these meatballs, and I personally love meatballs, so I've been dying to try these out ever since I started cooking them. These are honestly absolutely incredible, and probably one of the better meatballs I've ever made. It tastes a lot like barbecue meatballs would, but then there's a kick to it, and I love that. And I can see this working really well with oriental dishes, rice, snow peas, lots of things that they could either mix it with or just have it with. But, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have some thoughts, leave me a comment, leave me a like. I'm sorry, I'm admiring this sauce, it's amazing. Anyway, I will see you in our next video.